Welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective for your school examination. So, students, those are new book of free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I am Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you the third part of the topic construction of polygons. So the objectives of the today's class will be we are going to construct rhombus whose diagonals are given. We're going to construct a regular hexagon. Okay, hexagon is a geometrical figure, is a polygon having 6 sides. Regular hexagon means all the sides are equal, all interior angles are equal, and we are going to construct a square whose diagonals are given. So yes, what is this rhombus? We obtain rhombus as a special case of kite, okay, which is not a parallelogram. Always remember that all sides of the rhombus are of same length, okay, as not in the case of kite. Yes, since opposite sides of rhombus have same length, it's also a parallelogram. So a rhombus has the properties of a parallelogram and also that of the kite. The diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular to each other and bisect one another. Okay, so yes, let us learn construction of rhombus. Okay, with the following condition when one side and one angle are given. Construct a rhombus having given one side is equal to 4.8 centimeter and one angle as 75 degrees. Yes, now see this. How to draw this? First, draw a line segment of length 4.8 centimeter. In rhombus, all the sides will be same. So 4.8 centimeter. Okay, now draw the angle. Okay, the angle mentioned is 75 degree. You can draw 60 degree and 90 degree, bisect them, you will get 75 degree, or with the protractor you can draw 75 degrees. Yes, now with A as the radius, with A as a center and radius equal to 4.8 centimeter, you draw an arc on AX. Let that point be represented as B. Okay, and now from D as a center with radius equal to 4.8 centimeter, you draw one more arc. So do the same thing with B. With B as a center with the same radius, you draw one more arc. Join them, you get a rhombus. Okay, the lines will be straight, the lines will be parallel. Don't worry about this. And all the line segments will be equal. Okay, now join DC and BC. You get a ABCD as a rhombus. Construct a rhombus having one side this and diagonal this. Okay, so let me show you the rough diagram. So very easy. Yes. Now see this. One of the side they have given, draw that side. Okay, now let us assume this is our rhombus. Okay, now this side length is 4 centimeter. Okay, the diagonal length is 5 centimeter. Okay, with this as a center, draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter. With this as a center, draw an arc of 4 centimeter. You get this. Okay, from this you draw a 4 centimeter arc, 4 centimeter arc, you get the another point. This is how you draw. Okay, let's see the steps in detail. Draw AC, which is 5 centimeter, one of the diagonals of the rhombus. Okay, so what they are doing is they are drawing the diagonal first. Okay, now With A as a center and 4 centimeter, draw an arc at the top, at the bottom. With with C as a center and 4 centimeter as a radius, draw two arcs at the top and bottom. Okay, see this. Two arcs, one at the top, one at the bottom, one at the top, one at the bottom. Join them. You get a rhombus. Rhombus when both the diagonals are given. Is it possible to construct a rhombus thus when AC is 7 and BD is 6? Yes. Okay. So since the properties we know diagonals bisect each other and are perpendicular to each other. So what you need to do is first draw this AC as 7 centimeter. Okay. Now bisect this AC. Okay. Draw a perpendicular bisector. At the point of intersection, you draw two arcs. Okay. Which is 3 centimeter apart on the perpendicular bisector. That point will be B. Now join AD, DC, CB and AB. You will get a rhombus. Now square, okay, what is a square? Square is a rectangle where all sides are equal. All the interior angles are equal to 90 degrees. Diagonals bisect each other. Okay, diagonals are equal. Okay, yes, and are also perpendicular to each other. Okay, yes, yes, diagonals of a square are perpendicular to each other. Construct a square when diagonal is given. Okay, so steps for construction, we know that all the sides of the square are equal, all four angles are equal to 90 degrees. Construct a square whose diagonal length is 5 centimeter. Now what you need to do is first draw a 5 centimeter line. Okay, draw a perpendicular bisector to it. Yes, with this as a center, draw an arc of 2.5 centimeter at the top and the bottom. Okay, now join this. Okay, you get a square. This is a rough diagram, guys. Okay, draw it properly, you will get a square. Okay, see this. This is how you draw a square. Okay, now let's learn how to construct a regular hexagon. So what is a regular hexagon? Okay, a regular hexagon is a polygon having 6 sides where all the sides are equal and all the interior angles are equal. Yes. So how much will be the each interior angle? So what you need to do is divide this hexagon in terms of triangles. Okay. So one triangle, two triangle, three triangle, four. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So each triangle sum of interior angle is 180 degrees. So 180 into 4. How much is that? 0. 4 ones are 4. 8 fours are 32. 720 degrees. Sum of interior angles in a regular hexagon is 720. Each angles are equal to divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 120 degrees. Each angle is equal to 120 degrees. Now construct a regular hexagon of side, okay, 3 centimeter. How to do this? Okay, first draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter or diameter 6 centimeter. Okay, now, okay, place a point on the circle, say let's say here. Okay, with the same arc length with this as a center. Now keep on drawing arcs. Okay, so let me choose this. So one arc, two arc, three arc, four arc and 5. Join all these points, you get a regular hexagon. You may get it crooked, but when you measure all the sides, okay, all the sides will be of same length. Okay, so if you want to get a hexagon straight, so what you need to do is draw a diameter first. Okay, wherever these points are there, start from that point, you will get a nice looking regular hexagon. Yes, these are the steps. Okay, so this is the easiest way to do this. Okay, so with this as a center, now you have drawn this. Now mark a point here. Now with the same radius, keep on drawing arcs. See, this is the first arc, second arc, third arc, fourth arc, fifth arc, sixth arc. You get a regular hexagon. Now let us take this value based question. A farmer has two types of field. One is in the form of square and other is form of the rectangle. Farmer wants to fence his field. So he gave the work to Ramesh for square and gave four equal pieces of wire and gave Savita a rectangle field, four equal pieces of wire. Who will have more difficulty in wiring the field? Okay, the square ones are of equal length, so it will be easy. Okay, so the rectangle ones are not of equal length. You need to split the wires to make it right. Okay, so yes. So where can we use a regular hexagon in real life? In nuts and bolts, they are of hexagonal shapes. So construct a rhombus. So what did we learn? We learned how to construct a rhombus. We learned how to construct a regular hexagon, and we learned how to construct a square. Okay, now let us take this extra time questions. So what is the first question? The first question is construct a rhombus ABCD when one of the side is this and one of the diagonal is this much. Okay, so what you need to do is first draw the diagonal of length 7 centimeter. Let AC be that diagonal. Okay, now each side is 5.4 centimeter. With A as a center, you draw an arc at the top and the bottom of 5.4 centimeters radius. C as a center and 5.4 centimeter radius, draw two arcs. Okay, now join them. Okay, you get A, B, C, D, a rhombus. This is This is the required rhombus. Construct a rhombus when one side is this and the height is this much. Okay, see this. Construct a rhombus when one of its side is 5.6.5. Okay, so and height is okay. So they have given height. Okay, so this is a rhombus and the height is this much. Okay, now what you need to do here is first draw this side 5 centimeter. You need to draw another parallel line, okay, at 2.6 centimeters. So what you do is draw perpendicular bisector here, draw perpendicular bisector here. Okay, so from this as a center, mark two lines. Okay, at the distance of 2.6 centimeters from the base, draw a thin line. Okay, now with this as a center and radius as 5 centimeter, draw an arc with this as a center, draw an arc. Join them. Okay, let me choose a different color. Okay, so the pink color which I will draw now will represent a rhombus. Okay, so this is the required rhombus. Got this? So construct a square ABCD when the perimeter is 24. Perimeter of a square is 4 times the side. 4 times side is equal to 24 centimeter. Side is equal to 24 by 4, which is 6 centimeter. Each side is 6 centimeters. Okay, now draw this. Okay, so draw a 6 centimeter line. Okay, then draw perpendiculars, two perpendiculars you need to draw. Yes, with this as a center, let AB be the this line with A as a center and a radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc with B as a center and radius 6 centimeter, draw an arc. Join this AD, join this BC, join DC, you get a square. Construct a regular hexagon of side this. I've taught you how to draw this. Okay. First, draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Drawn. Okay. Now choose this as a starting point. Any starting point. You can choose this. Okay. With the same radius of 2.5 centimeters, keep on drawing arcs. Okay. Yes. Now join them. You get a regular hexagon. This is how you draw a regular hexagon. Yes. Okay. So that's all for today. So students, those who are new, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Yes.